Determine the degree of static indeterminacy of the structure shown. So, bilang-bilang lang tayo ng reactions. Kain natin to. Figure A. So, we have here 2 roller supports and 1 pin. The action of the roller is isa. Sa pin naman, dalawa. So, ilan yung unknown reactions natin? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Apat. Equations. Ano yung equations natin? Equation is 3, tatlong equilibrium condition, summation moment forces, horizontal, vertical, or summation of moment, plus E sub C. What is E sub C? So, meron kang karagdagan na equation na magagawa kung meron kang internal hinge. Internal hinge isa. Kasi alam natin na 0 yung moment yan. Kung roller naman, plus 2. Yung E sub C natin is 2 for internal roller. Kasi pwede siya mag-cross states. Hindi siya pinipigilan sa plane ng roller. Pwede rin siya mag-rotate. Kaya dalawa yung ating equation dyan. Tandaan nyo lang yan. So you have 3 plus 0. Wala tayong internal hinge dito. Wala tayong internal roller. Then 0 lang si E sub C. So since R is greater than E, parami yung ating unknown compared sa equilibrium equation, it is statically indeterminate. And the degree of indeterminacy is R minus E. 4 minus 3, the degree of indeterminacy is 1 degree. Next, figure B. So yung figure B natin, take note, nata-fix yun, no? Nata-fix yun dito. So the reactions here is vertical, horizontal, and meron kang bending, internal bending. Same as here, nata-fix din yan. Vertical, horizontal, and bending. So bilangin natin yung reaction. The reaction is dito tatlo, dito tatlo. So 6. And again, equations, 3 plus E sub C. We don't have any internal hinge or roller here, so 0 pa rin si E sub C. 3 plus 0, 3. And still R is greater than E, so statically indeterminate. And the degree of indeterminacy is R minus E. So R is 6, E is 3. Kuha natin yung degree of indeterminacy. Statically indeterminate to the third degree. Figure C. So again, fix to dito. Yung number of reaction here, tatlo din. On the other side, tatlo din. So, ganun pa rin. So, tatlo, 6 na reaction. Equation, again, ito. Wala tayong internal hinge o roller. So, kuha natin ang equation. R is greater than E, then determinate pa rin tayo. Degree of indeterminacy is 6 minus 3. So, statically indeterminate to the third degree.